Here's a 2016 Cadillac ATS-V Sedan. This is extreme racetrack capability gracefully tuned to the road. In other words, direct injected adrenaline. It's well equipped with the features you need: twin-turbo V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, active noise cancellation, power tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, and manual transmission. Car and Driver remarks the ATS-V is the product of a small team with speed encoded in its members' genes. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.
For value.